Hey everybody, Dave Fontaine here at Wayne Toyota with one of the industry's best retained value vehicles, the Toyota Tacoma. Today I'm going to show you our 2018 Sport upgrade that we just took in. Lots of extras on this vehicle, one of our very own trade-ins, just 65,000 kilometers, one owner, no accidents, non-smoker. Excellent vehicle. So we did an upgrade on this one with the TRD Grille, the Toyota Grille. It does come with the factory block heater and cable. This vehicle has a leveling kit installed as well as a BF Goodrich tire upgrade, the KO2s. Mirrors have blind spot monitoring built in, keyless entry. Leather interior, heated front seats. Has all the current safety features with the automatic headlights, high beams, lane departure alert, pre-collision system. It does have navigation built in, dual climate control, wireless charger, power rear window, and then of course Bluetooth, and it still has a CD player. Lots of room in the second row. As you can see, it's a 60-40 split. I've got one half down. The back of the seats have an ABS plastic, so if you have wet or dirty items, you can secure them without getting anything too destroyed. This being the double cab, has a 6.5-foot box. As you can see, it does come with a backup camera. It's a lockable tailgate. Comes wired, ready to go. Composite box, so this will not rust. An outlet right here, lots of tie downs. That is our 2018 Tacoma. Excellent vehicle, lots of life left in this. If you're looking for a rugged vehicle that won't let you down, this is the one for you. Come and see me, Dave Fontaine. Book a test drive today. Thanks again for watching and stay safe.